I think you can. I think you can take two perspectives on this question, and the first one is the market, and there I think that specifically over the last 7-8 years, residential has been seen as a competitive risk-return investment, and investors are more focusing on the combination of return and risk, and I think that combination is favorable to residential. On the other side, you see from a public sector perspective that central banks and governments realize that there are huge risks in residential markets, and that sometimes these risks can get you into a big financial crisis like the one we're still currently in. And they want to change their housing market. And they want to take away asymmetries and bubble pricing in their own housing markets and come up with incentivization to attract foreign capital. And that's currently still a relatively small group of countries, but the Netherlands is one of them. We sent our minister out to many places to tell how great the market is because we want institutional capital, and we are reforming the market to be able to accommodate that. So that's the political link. The UK is doing the same thing with a task force and a Montague report that was prior to the task force. I see Poland moving in that direction. So I think to sum up, both from the market and from the political side, there is a convergence towards residential and towards making more room for institutional capital in that sector. Okay. And that's a European phenomenon.
Residential is not so sensitive in ups and downs of the economic development. And there are many investors want to achieve stable income. And we have pension funds, normally they are keen on investing in residential, but they do a lot of commercial also. But some of these let's say, mainly German-based institutional investors are focusing more on residential or increasing the part of the total investment volume in the overall investment for all these funds or the capital they invest in real estate to stabilize the whole investment volume they have. So yes, there are some more investors coming back to residential and or increasing their part.